Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce a beautiful Christmas quilt. This time we chose a collection from Robert Kaufman called Winter's Grandeur 9. Winter's Grandeur is something they have been doing year over year, and this is now collection 9. And every year they continue to impress me. I love the classic Christmas colors, and each time Winter's Grandeur comes out, it has this beautiful, just the perfect amount of metallic detail that really takes that into that kind of that more Christmas magical look, and I love that. These blocks are nice and big, so even if you're a beginner, you can absolutely be successful. There's 12 blocks here, that's all, and each block is 18 inches finished. Super fun. This is one you don't want to miss out on. Obviously, all piecing, and in short order, you have a nice, good-sized quilt, with this being your backing option. Really limited amounts on both of these. This fabric is still arriving to us. We got just a little bit of a sample fabric in order to make our quilt. So for that reason, we're offering this on what's called a reserve. We're able to make the yes decision that you want to get the kit, as well as maybe the backing option. $10 deposit for the quilt, a $5 deposit for the backing. When those arrive, we'll charge the difference and send that right out with free shipping to the United States. Anytime your order is over $75, and of course, internationally, we try to get some nice economical rates for you as well. With this particular quilt, there's some key things that I want to point your attention to that were really helpful in us being able to make the blocks accurately and fast. The ones that are really my go-to were the Flying Geese ruler from Creative Grid. You might have seen me do some tutorials on this ruler. What I love about that is we minimize waste. We get to make 4 Flying Geese units, and we get to square them up, which I love. As you can see, these blocks have a lot of Flying Geese in them. And we also have half square triangles up in these corners. For that reason, I love using my star singles. Again, instead of making just 2 at a time, I get to make 8 at a time, sewing on a line and then cutting on different lines. And then we're just tearing the paper away. It makes the block come together not only faster, but more accurately. Patchwork pins, you'll be sure you want to get some fresh patchwork pins if you don't have that. And anytime we're doing precise piecing, be sure to treat yourself to a fresh rotary blade and your rotary cutter. And of course, there are other things that we'll need as well. Hey, we have limited supplies of both the quilt and the backing. So if this is one that you know you want to have in your home or maybe give as a gift, be sure to reserve those kits today. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you soon on another video.